I met him when I was 20 years old. I was living in Enugu State. We did not start a relationship straight away because he just came to Enugu for a business. He was way older than me. First, he wrote me a letter. I replied. He called me and I called back. It went on like that. Then at 21, I got admission into Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka, to study Chinese.
Yeah, who's that? Hold on. Oh, you're welcome.
I thought I knew him, but actually I did not. In the early days, things were quite good. One time we were supposed to meet, but for some reason, he thought we were going to meet somewhere else. Therefore, I waited and waited, and eventually I walked away. Coincidentally, I walked into the street. He was waiting. He was upset.
And where are you coming from? You kept me waiting for you here since. What kind of rubbish is this? Come here, man.
I was so scared that I just did not know what to do. He just thought that he was right and I was wrong. One day, while I was staying with him, he came home.
Oh my God! Why did you mess up my room?
But everything is in order.
What do you mean that everything is in order? Are you trying to tell me how I kept my own room? Are you trying to tell me how I kept my... I'm sorry.
I fell for his promises that he would change, and I thought I could rescue him. I hoped that he would change if I loved him enough and showed him my compassion. I believed that he had some mental issue, like he was depressed or stressed, and he needed me to be there for him. We tried to block all the bad things because it is easier not to think about hardship, the pain of being hurt. The more I stayed with him, the more it destroyed my self-esteem. I convinced myself that I was useless, that I was dumb, that I was a bitch or whatever he had been calling me. He tried to strangle me. It just so happened that my ever so busy only sister, whom I had called a few months ago, arrived. She witnessed what he was doing and fought him. I had already passed out. I could not remember my sister coming in. I was so lucky my sister was there, but my freedom cost her life. You are not alone. If I could come and help you leave, I would, but it is you who had to do it. Living permanently is the only thing that will change the situation. You cannot make him better, no matter how much you love him. You are a wonderful person and deserve so much better. Learn from my mistake and speak out on time. Any delay could cost a life just like that of my sister.